So I have the potato washed, peeled, and cut up. And I'll be using some green peas and some corn. I already have the water on the fire. So now I'm adding the peas and the corn to the boiling water. And now I'm adding the sweet potato. So I'm going to be cooking these until tender, but not overcooked. So now my vegetables and potato is ready to drain. So now I'm draining the potato along with the vegetables. And then I'm going to be having some cold water run on it. Now I'm running the cold water on them to break the temperature down and stop the cooking process. Here's a rundown of my seasoning. I'll be using onion, bell peppers, celery, tomatoes. I'll be using mayonnaise for my dressing, and some dill, olives, some pepper, some cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. Here I also have them ready and prepared. I have the black pepper here, the olives, the peppers, yellow pepper, green pepper, celery, tomatoes. Here I have some onion also and some dill. So I'm just gonna make the dressing, and then I'll add the potato and the peas and the corn. So I just put the mayonnaise in the container, and now I'm adding my bell pepper, tomato, dill, onion, and the olives. I just had some yellow pepper to that, and I'm just mixing and combine.